all, welcome to Cracker's video series. Today I am here with top 50 GK questions that are helpful for your CMAT examination. In this video I have piled up many topics like social, science, that is science and technology, and headquarters and organizations, countries and currencies, art and culture, sports, and like people and awards, airports and seaports, and other miscellaneous topics. These are very much important for your examination. Please do not leave any topic. Keep revising every day. Since we have only 8 days remaining, that is today is 23rd, we have 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th and 30. In these days, I suggest you to watch all the videos that we are providing since many days and make a note of these and keep revising every day. Like put a 1 hour time for revising all these videos. Just have a glance on your notes, and also on the last 2 days, just don't read any new topics. Just take only the revision so that you won't be get tensed, and it will be very much helpful for you for your examination. Since it will be the fresh revision for your before the examination, you will remember easily. Before getting into the video, please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications. Let's see the first question now. Which of the following is not a vocal form of Hindustani classical music? Pakawaj is not the vocal form of Hindustani classical music. It is two-headed, barrel-shaped drum. We can say that it is a descendant of the old mridangam. Let's see the next one. In which area did Nandalal Bose earn fame? Nandalal Bose earned fame in the area of painting. He was the pioneer of modern Indian art, and he has become the principal for Kala Bhavan Shantiniketan, in the year 1922. Let us see the next one. According to Greek mythology, what is the name of the beautiful youth who was loved by Echo and in punishment for not returning her love was made to fall in love with his image reflected in a pool, and finally unable to possess the image is believed to have pinned away and turned into a flower? Its name is Narcissus. It's a flower. Who was the pioneer of Kisan movement in Andhra? The pioneer of Kisan movement in Andhra is N.G. Ranga. His full name is Gogineni Ranganayakulu. He was the president of Swatantra Party. Now let's see the next question. Who translated the Bible into Telugu? Benjamin Sculls translated the Bible into Telugu. In the early part of 18th century, he has translated the Bible into Telugu, and he has sent the manuscripts to Germany, to the Hall in Germany. So he has translated Bible into Telugu in early 18th centuries, and he has sent the manuscripts to the Hall in Germany. What was the term Gentoo referred to in 19th century? The term Gentoo referred to in 19th century is a language referred by Portuguese. Friends, the exam is near, and at this time referring to the previous papers is the most important segment. We are providing CMAT previous papers. Google search Cracker CMAT previous papers and you can download them for your best reference, and also practice them so that you can get the idea how the paper would come. Now let's see the next question. In which Indian city is the Holkar Cricket Stadium located? It is located in Indore. It is previously called as Maharani Usha Raje Trust, like cricket stadium. It was changed into Holkar Cricket Stadium in the year 2010. When was the last time India won a medal for hockey in Olympics? It won a medal for hockey in the year 1980 at Moscow Olympics. Shanti Swarup Bharatnagar Award is given for the excellence in the field of. It is given for the excellence in the field of science and technology, and it is given annually by the Council of Scientific and Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, that is CSIR. It was first awarded in the year 1958. Who is the father of biology? The father of biology is Aristotle.
We at Krakow provide all the previous year CAT papers along with many other MBA examinations such as IIFT, XAT, SNAP, MAT, CMAT, TIS and PGDBA in the actual exam format. You can attempt them as a test and get a detailed analysis of your performance or download them as PDFs.
The Aga Khan Award belongs to which subject? It belongs to architecture. It is given every 3 years for the projects which set standards of excellence in architecture. Where can you find Kunchikal waterfalls? We can find Kunchikal waterfalls in Karnataka of Shimoga district. Shimoga district of Karnataka, and the river that is related to this waterfalls is Varahi river. Let's see the next one. In which city Nagarhar Fort is situated? Nagarhar Fort is situated in the city of Jaipur. It is originally called as Sudarshangarh. Nagarhar means abode of tigers. Friends, Krakow is providing CMAT mock tests, like we are providing 5 latest pattern mock tests for rupees 299, and we are also providing 1 free mock. Google search Krakow CMAT mock test and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. I recommend you to take a mock for every alternate day from now, so that it would be like you can easily calculate like how much score you can get in your main exam. It would be a best practice for you. Please do check our mock tests. Which of the following statements about Himalayan mountains is not correct? The Shivalik ranges are composed of unsolidated segments brought down by the rivers is the statement that is not correct regarding Himalayan mountains. Which of the following is a cash crop? Let us see what is the cash crop. Cash crop is an agricultural crop which are for sale in return, like expecting in return for a profit. So the main cash crops in India are sugarcane, tobacco, oil seeds, jute, cotton, etc. Vegetables doesn't come under cash crop. Which state in India is the leading producer of coffee? Karnataka is the leading producer of coffee. After Karnataka, it is Kerala and then Tamil Nadu. Next one. The capital of Zambia is? The capital of Zambia is Lusaka, and the currency of Zambia is Zambian kwacha. Zambian kwacha. Let us see the next one. What is the currency of Denmark? The currency of Denmark is Danish krone. The UNCTAD is headquartered at. Like what is UNCTAD? It is United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. It is headquartered at Geneva, Switzerland, and it was founded in the year 1964. The headquarters of the Survey of India department is located at Dehradun, and it was founded in the year 1767. Friends, Krakow is providing 5 latest pattern CMAT mocks for rupees 299 and also 1 free mock. Please do visit our website krakow.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. What is A in ATM? Let's see the full form of ATM. ATM means automated teller machine. It's not anytime money, okay? Therefore, the answer is option B, that is A in ATM is automated. Which of the following is the correct abbreviation of ARC? The correct abbreviation of ARC is Association of Resident Consumers. One of the strategic seaports of India, Nhava Sheva Port, is located in which of the following states? It is located in Maharashtra state of Raigad district. It is also called as Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Strategically important seaport, Pradeep Port, is located in which of the following states? It is located in Odisha state. It is a very deep natural seaport. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport is located in which of the following city? It is located in Ahmedabad city. This airport, it is serving for the twin cities, both Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar of Gujarat. Let us see the next one. In which state of India did the Kuchipudi dance originated? Kuchipudi dance has originated in Andhra Pradesh state of India, in a small village named as Kuchipudi. It is one of the 8 major classical dances of India. Let's see the next one. Alpana is the traditional folk art of which state? It is a traditional folk art of West Bengal state. It is a sacred art or a painting done by hands in the paint. Generally the paint is mixture of rice and flour. The term Anuvrata is associated to which religion? It is associated to Jainism. It means ahimsa. Of all the famines that affected South India, which was the most serious one? The most serious famine that affected South India is the famine that came in the year 1883 at a place Guntur, which is in Andhra Pradesh. Friends, Krakow is providing CMAT previous papers. Please do visit our website krakow.in and download these papers for your better practice and best reference actually, which is much needed at this time. Please do see all the previous papers and try to solve these papers so that you will get the actual idea of the exam. And also we are providing the mocks, like 5 mocks and also 1 free mock for rupees 299. Please do enroll for these mocks also. Writing more number of mocks improves the confidence level in you, and also you can assess how much marks you can get in your main examination. Now let us see the next question. The Battle of Padmanabham decided the fate of. The Battle of Padmanabham decided the fate of Vijay Ramaraju, the ruler of Vijayanagaram. And this battle has happened in the year 1794 between Zamindar of Vijayanagara and against the Colonel Pendergast. Who was the negotiator between British resident of East India Company at Machilipatnam and Nizam Ali Khan of Hyderabad for the lease of northern sarkars to the company? Who was he? He was Kandregula Jogi Pantulu. Kandregula Jogi Pantulu was the negotiator between British resident of East India Company at Machilipatnam and Nizam Ali Khan of Hyderabad for the lease of northern sarkars to the company. Now let's see the next question. Who is the current chairman of the India International Cricket Council? The current chairman is Manu Swane. Who won independent in India's first individual medal at Olympics? Kashaba Dada Saheb Jadhav, who is called as KD Jadhav, has won individual medal, the first individual medal at Olympics. He has won bronze medal. Which of the following award is given for distinguished service in any field including service rendered by the government servants? It is Padma Shri. It is fourth highest civilian award after Bharat Ratna. Who of the following personalities is known as Lokanayak? Jayaprakash Narayan is known as Lokanayak. He died in the year 1979. Who among the following first translated Bhagavad Gita into English? Charles Dickens has translated Bhagavad Gita into English. Which of the following is the west flowing river? Sabarmati is the west flowing river. Let's see what are the other west flowing rivers. They are Tapati, Narmada, Sabarmati, Luni and Mahi. Let's see the next one. The most suitable soil for the production of cotton is? The most suitable soil is, it is black lava soil. The Atal Setu, a cable stayed bridge, is located on which river? It is located on Mandovi river. This bridge is in Goa, which runs through Panaji and Parvomi. It's called as Parvorim. Panaji and Parvorim. Friends, Krakow is providing CMAT mock tests. Like we are providing 5 mock tests and also 1 free mock for rupees 299. Google search Krakow CMAT mock tests and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Please do take mocks. These are very much important to boost your score and also your confidence. Which one of the following is not a coal variety? Bituminous is a coal variety, lignite is a coal variety and peat is also a coal variety. And dolomite is not a coal variety. It is an anhydrous carbon compound. Which option represents the crops that are grown in June, July are harvested in September to October? Rice and cotton are the crops. These are grown in Kharif season. That is, like Kharif season is the crops are grown in June and July and they are harvested in September to October. Let's see the next question. Planned economy in India is based on which system? It is based on socialist system. The city of Ottawa is capital of? It is the capital of Canada. The small trick to remember that Ottawa is capital of Canada is, like from the word Ottawa, like derive a shortcut that is oats. So make a trick like oats are cheap in Canada. So this sentence tells us that like from the oats we can remember the word Ottawa, and Ottawa is the capital of Canada. Hope this trick will be useful for you. It's just a small trick you can remember. Now let us see the next one. Where is the headquarters of international organization BRICS located? Let us see what is BRICS. BRICS is Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. The headquarters of this organization is in Shanghai, China. Who is the minister in charge of Union Ministry for Earth Sciences? Dr. Harshvardhan is in charge of Union Ministry for Earth Sciences. He is also in charge of health and welfare and also science and technology. Let us see the next one. WTO stands for World Trade Organization. Its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland, and it was founded in the year 1995. Which of the following is the appropriate full form of MTSS? The appropriate full form of MTSS is Money Transfer Service Scheme. What is this scheme? Is transferring the personal remittances from abroad to the beneficiaries who are living in India. Devi Ahilyabai Holkar Airport is located in which of the following places? It is located in Indore and it is 8 kilometers to the west of Indore. Let us see the next question. Green Revolution is related to wheat and rice. Which of the following is right about the nature of Indian economy? Indian economy is it's a mixed economy. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications. And also if you have any queries and any suggestions regarding the video, you can tell me through the comment section. I am telling you again, please make a note of all these questions which are coming in daily videos at a place, so that it will be very much helpful for you when you are revising before the examination. And please do take these mocks, which we are providing 5 mocks plus 1 free mock for ₹299, which helps you so much to boost your score, and it will be a good practice for you. And thank you. Thanks for watching.